I just got out to my winter camp and I can see my wood pile's been knocked over. Doesn't look like it fell over, it looks like it was actually knocked over because you can see this piece of wood here, just how far away it is from the wood pile. Not too sure what happened there. I tell you, this is one of my better meals I made out here. Very simple, but it's hitting the spot. And once all my work is done, time to break out the fireball. I love using cast iron cookware, but it is higher maintenance. So in case you're wondering how I clean it out here, after I'm done cooking, I put the pan back on the stove. I put some snow or water in there, bring it back up to a boil. This helps lift all the food deposits from the pan. I dump out the water, use some spruce boughs to give it a good scrubbing. Then I use some olive oil to re-season it, and done. Both of these hot pans just have a little bit of olive oil in there. And I just want to bake it in. You really want that oil to penetrate the steel. Well, it's official, we got another storm on our hands. Just restoked the fire, got some water on. Time to relax, drink some Fireball, smoke a pipe. Well, I think I'm inside for the rest of the day. It's way too miserable out there to get anything accomplished. We just can't seem to catch a break in the weather. So I'm just inside smoking a pipe, having a drink, and I was just thinking about my dad. And I wanted to share a quick story with you. Back when I was growing up, whenever I'd go to the store with my dad, say for example, we're getting gas at a gas station, my dad would be at the till, and the cashier would say, "How would you like to pay for this?" And he would say, "With your money." So I always got a kick out of that. I still use that saying myself occasionally. I try not to overuse it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I took off my boots so I could lay down on my air mattress. I just wanted to share with my new viewers these homemade cleats I made a couple years ago. It really makes it possible for me to come out here. It's quite the extreme terrain. Very slippery, very steep. It makes my life so much easier. Well, it's still snowing quite hard out there. I actually dozed off, had a pretty good nap. When I woke up, the wood stove was almost out. So I'm just looking through this book. I brought it out about 2 years ago. It's mainly for if I ever get stranded out here or for overnighters. Sometimes the nights get pretty long. Well guys, it's getting pretty late. Have to get moving. I just finished cleaning up. Putting my boots back on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm hoping here one day soon I can maybe go look for some antlers, some skulls, see how the weather is.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
as soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
catch you guys on another video.